Do you feel anxious or stressed with all the social, digital, time, and academic stressors that we face on a daily basis? Your answer may have been with you this entire time. Meditation is the act of training attention and awareness through breathing and thinking techniques that put one in a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. The origins of this practice are unknown, but records go back to before 5000 BCE in India. Meditation stems from the Latin word meditatum, which means to ponder or to reflect. Have you ever felt that a monk just radiates a different kind of energy from everyone else? That may be because they do. Meditators like monks tend to have different brainwaves compared to average humans. Brainwaves are electrical impulses from neuronal communication within the brain. Thoughts, emotions, and behaviors influence different types of brainwaves, like delta waves, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma waves. Theta waves provide a positive, balanced state of mind for problem-solving skills and memory boosting. Alpha waves are the most common brain waves that occur at the beginning of meditation as you try and go into a deeper state of the mind. They occur when your mind is at a calm state, helping to lower the production of stress hormones and promote relaxation. Gamma waves are associated with attention and focus. They decrease anxiety and stress and rather increase these positive emotions. Since experienced meditators' brains act in a different way than most, we should expect to see some changes within the brain. Well, let's go in and take a look. Meditation produces changes in specific regions of the brain, giving rise to the effects that one feels after practicing. Meditation produces effects in the areas associated with memory, attention, and emotion. More specifically, our prefrontal cortex, amygdala, and hippocampus. The prefrontal cortex is the main brain region that's involved with abstract thinking, decision-making, and attention. Lazar et al. Found in research that meditation practice slows the inevitable doom that we face as we age by decelerating the thinning of the prefrontal cortex. Meditation also increases the volume of gray matter in the prefrontal cortex. This gray matter is said to be crucial for efficient communication in areas of memory, decision-making, and emotions. The amygdala is the fear center of the brain and plays heavy roles in our emotions and our subsequent behaviors. Mindfulness meditation acts on the amygdala by shrinking it, resulting in less activation of this area. Changes to the amygdala can be seen through only 2 months of meditation training. Decreased levels of activation allow us to be more in tune with our emotions while increasing our ability to suppress negative emotions such as sadness, fear, and anxiety. This disconnection from the brain's stress center gives rise to the physical and mental health benefits meditation can provide. Meditation also affects memory by altering our hippocampus. The hippocampus is a horn-like structure that is responsible for consolidating our short-term memories into long-term memories. Meditation alters this structure by increasing the volumes of gray matter, producing effects of a more efficient hippocampus. Increasing the activity within this area helps your learning, memory, and improves your emotional regulation. These structural changes to the brain that occur due to meditation is possible through a cool phenomenon called neuroplasticity. This is responsible for physically changing the connections and synapses within the brain due to prolonged activation and experience. Many studies have shown that mindfulness meditation has a significant effect on this structural plasticity within the brain's gray matter. Whether it is 10 hours or 8 weeks of mindfulness meditation training, there's been consistent reports of increased gray matter concentration, especially in brain areas of the hippocampus, posterior cingulate cortex, anterior cingulate cortex, the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, and the cerebellum, which are all associated with learning, memory, and emotional processing. In fact, these enhancements of the gray matter volume influence reward processing regions, which contributes to overall happiness. Now that must put a smile to your face because a happy brain is a happy you. Although living life can be stressful between school, work, maintaining relationships, and the adversity that life brings, there are a number of tools to help manage stress levels, and one effective treatment is meditation. Meditation is just like any exercise, but for the brain. The more you train it, the stronger it gets.